Hi there! Today we're checking out the ULTRABOT 2 Pack Flea Traps, designed for indoor use to keep your home pest-free. These traps use odorless light bulbs to attract fleas effectively without any harsh chemicals or smells. Each pack includes 4 replacement light bulbs and 8 sticky glue boards, ensuring long-lasting protection. The traps are simple to set up and work silently in the background, making them perfect for any room. Their compact black design blends seamlessly into your home without drawing attention. Using these flea traps helps reduce flea populations safely around pets and family members. Stay comfortable and pest-free with ULTRABOT's reliable indoor flea solution. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.